Hello, welcome to Kyle's Auto Sales. Here we have a beautiful 2016 Ford Lariat F-150. She is running, so we're going to take a walk around and let you listen. She sounds great. She looks great. Go ahead and walk all the way around there for you. (2016) Ford F-150 Lariat. Very nice, clean title, minor accident, one owner. Let's take a look at the inside. And she has been serviced, got chrome handles there. I do have the code for you. She's got 161,324 on the odometer. Got the sunroof up there. Show y'all that in a little bit. Beautiful two-tone. Got the nice floor mats for you. This is the paper I do for you. It tells you everything. It's got a fresh oil change, new wipers, new cabin filter, new air filter. Brakes are about 95% on the front, 90 on the back. Tires are 5/32. And she is a one owner with a minor accident. Here's the Carfax. All right. And let's see, I think that's it. Now these seats do raise up for you. Let me see if I can do that one-handed. There you go. And we'll put them back down. Whoops, with the handle. There's your... And let's go around to the passenger side, four-wheel drive. Look how easy that goes down. Yep, got your nice bed cover there. And let's raise it up. Got your hitch back there. And underneath is your spare tire. And we'll go around to the passenger side. And the seat goes up as well. Let me raise it for you. Nice floor mats. Let me put it back down. We'll take a look at the front passenger. Very nice truck. And the owner's manual is in right here. So we have an owner's manual. And this is the paper for when she was brand new. Let me see if I can get it open for you. Okay. This is all your features. Let's see if I can show you that. Okay, yeah, you just got to come see it in person. Pretty hard to see stuff on a moving camera, but you get the idea. All right, nice floor mats in there for you. Heated and cooled front seats. She's beautiful. Very nice 2016 F-150 Lariat. I mean, she's loaded. Heated seats, heated and cooled front seats. Loaded with so many goodies. If you have questions, you can give me a call at 704-213-0169. And we're located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. And you can find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Beautiful truck right here. Let's take a look at the inside. And again, I have that code for you. Let's jump in here. Okay. Let's put the window up. Keep that cool air outside. There's your steering wheel controls. And the odometer, 161,324. And let's move over here to the stereo and give you a blast of music. Gotta turn it down because I don't have rights to the music. They'll zap me on YouTube. And there's your heated and cooled front seats. And there's your four-wheel drive. And the key fob. And we do have two of them, by the way. And let's go through a couple things here. Got your backup, got your backup camera. And let's see what else we can go through. The apps. And we have navigation, which we're at the park right now. And we got climate, where you can set it right there for yourself. You can add your phone. I'm trying to think of anything else. Okay, let's do the sunroof. All right. Here's the top opening for you. And let's close it. And there's the vent. And let's put the vent back down. All right. Oops, opened it again. Well, might as well do it twice for you, right? Okay, and we have the back glass that will open. Let me get that for you. If I can find the right button. There we go. And close it. All right, I can't think of anything else to tell you or show you. If you have questions, you just need to call me, 704-213-0169. Located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. You can find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Well, I guess I'll give you another walk around.
Unknown caller.
Let me stop my phone here. I do apologize. Okay, sorry about that. Should have put it on mute before I started, right? Okay, I guess I can show you the engine. Let's do that. Oh, and you got your pedals there where you can move your pedals. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the pedals are moving. And let's put them back. So you have that feature. It's a Lariat, so she's loaded. Give you another walk around. Oh, I was going to show you the engine, wasn't I? Well, we'll do that in a second. We'll walk around and get to the engine bay. All right, let me see if I can get this open with one hand here for you. Got it. Purring like a kitten. All right. That beautiful hood. '16 Ford Lariat F-150. Clean title. One owner, minor accident. She runs great, she looks great. No issues at all. Let me put this down again for you. She's very nice. If you have questions, give me a call at 704-213-0169. Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. And find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. I thank you very much for your time. I thank you very much for your business. Please tell your family and friends to come buy from us, and if they do, I'll give you $100. And please hit like and share. I'd very much appreciate that. Beautiful truck right here. No issues at all. Just a nice truck. Clean title. One owner. Very well taken care of. You can flip through the Carfax and see all the oil changes and all the maintenance taken care of. Very well loved truck. So give us a call and you can be the next owner to love on this truck. I thank you very much for your time. I thank you very much for your business. Y'all have a wonderful day and come see us here at Kyle's Auto Sales. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.